that snow outside? Where's my four-wheeler? It's in the garage, broken down. Who's gonna shovel my snow? Snowed. Snowed. I watched the bunny rabbit. I don't know what time it was, but poor old bunny rabbit out there in the middle of a snowstorm trying to eat some grass. Aww. Poor little fella. Oh, probably want to feed his babies. Today's a birthday! Gonna have a good time! Yeah. Fucking snowstorm out there. Ah! Duh! Yeah, duh! Fucking last time I fucking shoveled your fucking snow. Yeah, duh, I did most of the work. Yeah, but Mike, you didn't do a good job. Yeah, just like my fucking dad. Not fucking satisfied. Fuck you. Fucking snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Who's the little monkey in the mirror? Fucking snow. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. YouTube Carl Kish describe. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that fish did to me, but it's really fucked me up, man. I ain't getting no sleep. Can't fucking breathe. What is it? What's inside a fish? Protein? Oh, no, that's chicken, right? What does fish have? It's supposed to be good for you. Don't tell me. I think I got too much of it. Yeah, I took a shower yesterday. Tried to. That didn't work out too well. I hyperventilated. Couldn't breathe. I had to shut it off, get the fuck out of there. I rinsed it off real good everywhere. My head, my face, my ears, and my neck, my chest, my butt, my wiener, and then well, when I did my face, I got too much hair. Too much hair. Yeah, way too fucking hair. Way too fucking hair. Anyways, last time that happened, I fucking shaved my fucking beard off because I can't breathe. Hyperventilated. So this old guy at work, Warren Maurice, 80 years old, he pulls out of his pocket. That's why I got this hair. I go, oh, respirator. That's not a goddamn respirator. It's an inhaler. Oh, you know how much this can cost me? $50 fucking dollars. And this is the cheap one. I spend over $500 a month. A month! On respirators. Not respirators, but inhalers. What? Yeah, I spent $500 a month on this shit. To stay alive? You spend $500 a month to stay alive? Yeah, pretty much. So Maury, I like to get him on YouTube doing this. You know, we had a talk show yesterday. And so Maury, did your doctor ever tell you you have breathing problems because of your weight? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, because my weight. Yeah, he says, you know, you could think about losing some weight. And Maury goes, well, it's there and it's going to be there because it ain't going nowhere. Lori's the kind of guy who likes his martinis and he likes his steak dinner with baked potato and the luxuries. He's living a luxury life. 80 years old. And he's an Oompa Loompa. Overweight Oompa Loompa. He wears fucking bib overalls because probably regular clothes won't fit him. I don't know. But, yeah. Got my fucking shit jacked up. See that? Can't lay down flat. And I asked about that, so. So I said to him, so is that why when I lay down flat, I can't breathe? Yeah, because your fucking stomach pushes up against your lungs, and that's why you can't breathe. Oh. I said, so that's why I gotta cock my pillows up and then lay down at an angle? That's your acid reflex. Yeah, we had a good talk. But we both agreed on one thing. We have breathing problems because we're fat. YouTube, Carl, Kish, subscribe. See ya.